Hey y'all, welcome to What's Cooking with Paula Deen today. Well, you know, I told you my cousin Don Heirs and I was in the kitchen together and we made kind of a disaster with our pizza crust. And I said we weren't getting in the pizza business. But you know what? Don and I are both hard-headed enough to know that neither one of us are quitters. We're not going to give up. So we're going to try it one more time. And hopefully our luck will change. We decided on making a cheeseburger pizza. You know, those have gotten so popular with the mustard on it and the pickles, just everything that you would have on a cheeseburger. The ground beef, and then the other pizza, you know, we just cleaned out the kitchen sink and threw it on it. So, watch for the end result. Hey y'all, I've been in the kitchen with my cousin Don, and we've been making pizza.
Oh, have we?
Well, I tell you what, when we first started, I thought we was gonna have to call a pizza takeout.
Yeah, that's right.
When you're struggling.
I was going to get it on speed dial.
Yeah. But we did it.
We did it. We did it.
All right, so now, this is probably mine and Michael's favorite pizza. Mm-hmm. To me, this is a man's pizza. And we're gonna make a cheeseburger pizza. Well, what do you eat on your cheeseburgers? Now, when you go to build it on your bread, what you eat?
I'm gonna put some mayonnaise on mine.
Yes, me too. So that's what I'm gonna do.
Oh.
That's gonna be our sauce.
That is a good sauce, too. That is
sauce.
a white pizza.
All right, and you know what? I like a little mustard with mine.
I know, I do too.
So I'm gonna put just a little bit of squirt of mustard, and then we'll come back and...
There you go.
Just a little squirt.
Looks like a Picasso painting.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
So now this is gonna be delicious. All right, so let's put a little cheese.
Okay.
Let's put some cheese first. Now our hamburger meat, Don and I scrambled it earlier. So we're just gonna put our ground beef. I love ground beef and cheese pizza.
It's great.
I just love it. All right, now anytime you wanna jump in, if you think,
I
need help.
All right.
All right.
You gonna put any bacon on it?
Yeah, let's put a little bacon.
Okay, let me get some
And
bacon.
let's see, we got some more cheeses over here.
Yeah. Let's get some more. I tell you, this bacon's gonna really make this a great pizza.
I know. You know, your hands look just like your daddy's.
Don't they?
I can see your daddy getting out there and cooking, frying those fish, and it looks just like Uncle Bernie's hands.
Didn't we have great fish fries?
Oh gosh, yes. All right, so a little bit more cheese.
Okay.
Are we forgetting anything, y'all?
Let me think.
Are we forgetting anything? You know, I guess it'd be whatever you like on your cheeseburger.
Do you want any more of this cheddar?
I might put a little bit of that on after it cooks for a while. How about
that's
that?
a good idea.
Well, so what else you think, Don?
Well, I'll tell you, Darlene loves onions.
I do too.
And it just so happens we have some onions.
We do.
We got some caramelized onions.
Oh, gosh.
Do you remember these? Yes, we got these.
No, I had forgotten that you had caramelized them.
Yes. You want to put a few on there?
You know what?
Oh, can you smell it?
Oh gosh, there's nothing like caramelized onions in the whole world. I could just eat them just like that, Don.
I'm about ready to just lick them.
Well, go ahead, have at it. Help yourself.
Oh, that'll be good. All right.
So we got our pizza in the oven.
Yes,
How
we
long
do.
are we gonna let it cook? 10 minutes?
10 minutes maybe.
Yeah, okay.
Well,
All
let's
right.
make another one.
Okay.
Let's make a kitchen sink pizza.
Kitchen sink.
Everything but the kitchen sink's gonna go into this pizza. We got Italian sausage, we got ground beef that's been prepared. Then we got some pepperoni,
ham.
some ham, everything but the
like
kitchen sink.
Parmesan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mozzarella, we got it all.
Okay.
So I think I'm gonna put some good old Italian sausage on there.
You know, I like Italian sausage.
I do too.
But I've had to grow into Italian sausage. I didn't used to like it before.
Really?
But now I do, and I love when I'm making meatballs. I love to put those whole links of Italian sausage in. It's so good.
Yes, I love that. And
pepperoni
and the ham. Oh, it's gonna be delicious.
You know, Michael and I went on like I think Gordon Elliott gave it to us for.
He did.
I can't remember what the occasion was, but it was most generous. I think he gave it to us for Christmas. A 17-day cruise to the Greek Isles.
Yes.
And we started in Venice. And their pepperoni was like this big, y'all.
Oh, thinly sliced?
And the crust, yes. The crust was like that thick. I mean, it was so thin.
It was a neighborhood joint or what?
Yeah, I mean, it was, you know, like there's just rows of restaurants and shops. And of course, we didn't know where we were going or what we were doing. We just walked into one, and I'm telling you what, if you have never had pizza in Venice, Italy, you need to go to Venice to have the pizza.
Wow. Well, I remember that trip because you brought me back a huge bottle of Greek olive oil.
Did I?
Yes. Yeah.
Good for me. Yeah. I was nice to him.
For a change.
Making up for our childhood, y'all.
That's the truth. Okay, so here I put some ham on it. I put pepperoni. I guess cheese, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put some parm on here. So we got
Parmesan, mozzarella, and sharp cheddar. You know, I might not put that on until, I mean, this is your monkey.
No, I agree.
But I just don't like the cheese getting hard.
I don't like it getting hard and browning so much.
Me neither.
Yeah, okay. So
I think definitely mozzarella.
Yeah, absolutely, sure.
I mean, mozzarella just belongs on a pizza, doesn't it?
It was made for it.
Yes, like you and me.
Oh, there's no question. The mozzarella moo cow.
All right, we got them in the oven.
Yep.
We might better check on this before we get to. Looks fabulous, y'all. So go get you something to eat, go to the bathroom.
Yep.
And then come back and we're gonna sample these pizzas that we've made.
Yep.
You know, a lot of people cook their pizza on a green egg outside on a grill. They say that's wonderful. We'll see y'all back in a minute. The space that you live in really affects the way you feel. So my first recommendation is start by updating your window treatments with Smith & Noble. Smith & Noble's beautiful handcrafted blinds, drapes, shades, and shutters are custom made just for you, and they offer different service options to fit your needs. To get started today, contact Smith & Noble to get my special limited time offer, 25% off on your window treatments, plus free design consultation. Create a space that you're gonna love. For details about my special offer, go to smithandnoble.com/Paula. That's smithandnoble.com/Paula, or call 1-800-659-3300. That's 1-800-659-3300.
Paula, I'm gonna get this pizza out of the oven.
Okay. Now that's the everything pizza.
It is indeed.
Right?
It has got everything on it, except for some basil, perhaps.
All right, say all you want on it is basil.
I think so. What do you think?
I'm with you.
Yeah.
I'm with you. That is beautiful, Don. Oh. This is like a deep dish pizza, y'all.
This is a guy's pie.
This is a guy's pie.
Yeah, yeah.
A beautiful guy's pie.
If you were having some guys over to watch a ball game, have a beverage.
Yes.
And it's simple.
Yeah, it was. It was very, very simple. Especially, if you'll go to your grocery store and buy the pizza crust already done up, it's fresh, buy it just like that.
That's right.
Or there's all those crusts that you can buy packaged.
That's right.
Like, what do they call it? Babalini or something like that.
Yeah, something. Yeah. I'm having a senior moment, but yes.
Me too.
Yeah.
Me too.
Yeah.
All right. Whoa. All right, now we just put the cheese on this one. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness.
That looks good, doesn't it? Oh boy.
Come on, mustard.
There you go. I mean,
Whoa. And let's just go ahead and we put some pickles on it.
Sure.
But let's go ahead and.
You don't even need a bun.
Well, our bun's underneath.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that looks
Are you
delicious.
gonna cut these?
I am indeed. I thought you'd never ask.
Okay. Well, you cut that
All
one.
right.
I'll cut this one.
Sounds like a plan. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's
Look at the meat
Oh, look at it.
dripping. Oh, wow.
Are we putting it on on a plate? We're gonna plate?
Well, unless you want to put it on your hand or.
How about my hat? Should I?
Yeah, put it on your hat.
Here you go.
Okay, I got to get it up first.
There you go.
We should have greased the edges of that a little bit.
Well, we'll know next time.
Whoa.
Oh man, look at that.
Scissors cut a great pizza.
Yes. Look at that, Paul. I mean, just look at the inside of it. Yeah. Oh man.
That would pull the skin off the roof of your mouth.
Yes, it would.
So please don't.
I promise I'm not going to do it.
Don't do it.
No, I'm not.
All right. Look at this. Now, I think the cheeseburger pizza is gonna be incredible.
Look at that. Hey, here's to you, Paula.
Here's to you, Donald. I love you. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed being with Don and me today. We've certainly had a good time being with y'all, and I hope that some of these ideas will spark something in you to get your pizza juices,
That's right.
creative juices spinning.
All you need is family and friends.
That's all you need, and a little pizza dough. Oh gosh, and how about the fried pizza dough with the powdered sugar?
That turned out great. A disaster into something really good.
Well, it was, I mean, how are you gonna go wrong with fried dough, y'all? Come on. Y'all have a beautiful day. Love y'all. Best dishes and all that stuff. Out of this world. Okay, so what do y'all think? We had a little better luck the second time around, but I still ain't getting out of my lane, y'all. Until next time, love and best dishes. The space that you live in really affects the way you feel. So my first recommendation is start by updating your window treatments with Smith & Noble. Smith & Noble's beautiful handcrafted blinds, drapes, shades, and shutters are custom made just for you, and they offer different service options to fit your needs. To get started today, contact Smith & Noble to get my special limited time offer, 25% off on your window treatments, plus free design consultation. Create a space that you're gonna love. For details about my special offer, go to smithandnoble.com/Paula. That's smithandnoble.com/Paula, or call 1-800-659-3300. That's 1-800-659-3300.